With consensus done, nailing the next part of the stack, programming and execution, was just as critical. dApps can't leave developers, entrepreneurs, and their users terrified that all their money could disappear overnight. Without good dApps, there aren't users. Without users, it's still demo DeFi. Creating a fantastic Web3 builder experience is actually just as hard as solving consensus. And working out how to solve that led us to solve one of the biggest challenges facing Web3 today: making Web3 code easy to build and deploy. Difficult to ship code isn't a new problem. In the early 90s, the computer game industry was just getting started. A guy called John Carmack had just made Doom. A hobbyist industry was starting to grow into something more serious. But there was a big problem. So much work was needed to get the basics of a game running that only about 20% of a developer's time was actually spent on building the gameplay. The rest, custom rendering engines, custom physics engines, and bugs, lots of bugs. It took the invention of a game engine to revolutionize the game industry. Game engines like Unity and Unreal took care of the standardizable, low-level stuff that every game depended on. They gave game developers general-purpose rendering engines, general-purpose physics engines. The bugs got way smaller and less hairy, and the games got larger and more complex. And what's more, they brought libraries of reusable art and in-game items. They brought community. And what happened? The developers flooded in. The entrepreneurs flooded in. The users flooded in. Gaming went from a cottage industry to one that is now bigger than music, TV, and film combined. All thanks to the invention of an engine. Radix has applied these lessons to decentralized finance and Web3. We call it the Radix engine.